on, look at Carmella with that Northern Lights driver.
Nice snapmare takedown.
Cover, one, and no. Kim kicks out.
Avoids the
It's too early in the matchup to...
Look at that great flexibility. Eliminator from behind. Eliminator. Nobody wants to give an inch in this.
Knee to the face and then a bulldog. Backflip into a arm drag. Oh, and a corkscrew axe kick. Oh, and Carmella Barbie breaker. A Barbie breaker to Shigo. Cover. One. And no. Oh, and now look at Stargirl with a submission hold on. Jade, no. She snapmares her off. And Stargirl flips her legs. And on Shigo with the Frankensteiner. This match is getting more exciting by the minute. Oh, back suplex by Shigo. Oh, and what an uppercut by Jade. And then a kick by Kat. Now she's got Carmella on the ropes. Shigo has Carmella on the ropes, but Carmella just gets up, cover one. And no, Stargirl kicks out. And Kat did have Kim in an anaconda device, but she got out of it. Moonsault by Stargirl. Should have called it Starsault, I don't know. I know, and there's the Star Spangled DDT to Jade. Cover, and no, Jade kicks out. Oh, and Spine Buster by Kat. Kat is one of the most unorthodox people in the entire EWWE. And now, oh, no, I don't know what that was. Oh, wait a minute. Shigo is going for the Go Breaker. Oh, man. One, two, and no. There's two pinfalls going on there. And no, cover one, and no. Oh, no. What a back suplex by Shigo. And a face buster by Jade. And then a leg drop, so I have no idea. Oh, and there's the Jade, I keep forgetting what that she calls that. She's used that a lot of times. There's the cutscene. Cover. One, and no, Kat breaks that up. Side headlock. No, goes around. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, backbreaker. Oh, now she's just slamming her head into the mat. Oh, kick. One. Kim was learning not to get that many cutscenes before. And when she was about to get a knee to the face, but she hit a big boot. A body slam. Stargirl. No, Shigo takes Stargirl down. And now Kat looks to cover. No, kick out. Oh, ankle lock. She got an ankle lock on Stargirl. And no, Stargirl rolls over and kicks her in the gut.
What sheer determination. Eliminator has the arm.
Oh, now Jade with the arm and elbow. On a belly-to-belly suplex by Carmella. And on a clothesline to Stargirl. And I don't know what that was, but I have no idea what that move was. I've never seen Jade use that before. But it was devastating. Oh, here comes the Star Spangled Runner. Goodbye, Shigo. And now what's this? And he's stomping on her arm, but it was already twisted. One. And no. Kim kicks out again. Oh, a cutscene! A cutscene to Kat! Out of nowhere!
Shoulders down. Don't get up. Oh, did she take a shot there?
And Kim is calling for the Kim kick here. Oh, man, and there she got it. She may eliminate Carmella here. 1, 2, and 3. Carmella is the first one eliminated. Kim has Carmella's number there, as you saw with that Kim kick. And now with Shigo She just spun Cat around, and Cat just kicks her in the gut. And then Shigo returns the favor. Oh, wait a minute, Cat. She may be going for that Red Velvet Cupcake Driver. And it's a Red Velvet Driver, my bad. Cover. Shigo instantly kicks out. It's gonna take more than that to keep Shigo down.
She might have no choice but to tap.
Oh no, look at a figure four leg lock by Jade. We've seen her use that like a few times.
Nicely avoided there.
Stargirl gonna tap out here, and she's gonna try to roll over the belly to reverse the pressure. And on a drop kick by Cat, and now right hand by Kim. I can't even believe Carmella was the first one eliminated. Oh, total world backbreaker by Kim. There's a drop kick. Oh, there's the little red stunner.
Eliminator. Here's the pin.
And Kim tried to roll up Stargirl, and that didn't work.
What a fierce kick. Nobody home for that one.
See the little red stunner on. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, Shigo with the crucifix head scissors.
Eliminator from behind.
Elbow to the face by Jade.
Squeezing down on the head.
Now Kim and wheelbarrow facebuster. Oh, and then another vicious uppercut from Jade. One and no. Oh, Wolfhouse said he's very tough. And on. Oh, wait a minute, roll up. And no, she kicks out. And the jawbreaker. Almost too much action to call in this matchup. Oh, and she throws her into the corner. And sets her on top. Oh, cover one. Oh, now back superplex. A back superplex by Shigo on the Jade. One. No. Oh, the facebuster. One. No. Oh, the power slam. I think it was a power slam. Oh, and Jade looking like she's setting up for something here, but Kim grabs Stargirl and neck breaker.
Here's the pin. What a kick that was.
A kick to the gut by Cat. I think Jade just hit a cutscene on Cat. I believe this. Kim accidentally broke that up. And Kim just slaps Cat down, then slams her knee into the mat. Cover on Cat, no. Oh, wait a minute. Stargirl going for the starship, but no. But she didn't go for the cover after she usually does. And now Kim has an ankle lock, but instantly lets go. Oh, and now look at this. Shigo looking for a powerbomb. No. She gets a facebuster instead. What is Cat doing? Whatever that was. Oh. Three. Jay just eliminated Kim. Oh, and there's a moonsault kick or starsault kick. Whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to put star in every one of her moves. Oh, wait a minute.